Aurora of DawnDuskDesigns. I have a question for you. Have you ever bought something for yourself or someone and you wanted to remove these pesky labels without leaving sticky residue? Well, today is your day. I will show you a quick and easy way using items you probably already have at home. Believe it or not, all you need is rubbing alcohol and a cotton ball. So all I did was just soak the cotton ball with rubbing alcohol. And now all I'm going to do is just rub it with the rubbing alcohol. Just like so. And as you can see, it's already removing the ink. As you can see, it's already coming off. As you can see, the label is completely off, but you can still see some of the stickiness that I was talking about. You see that? As you can see, I'm finalizing it. It's already off. Just have to clean it a little bit, and we're all set. So there you have it, guys. There is no trace of that sticky residue or label on this glass.